Hey, what is up, guys? A very quick video, guys. And what you're seeing here on the screen, this made me $37,000 last month. $37,000. And all of it is automated. Okay? So I'm going to explain why I have so many clicks, where those clicks are coming from, and why it's making money. Okay? So before I do that, let me refresh the analytics so that you can see it's not a screenshot. These are my actual numbers, and you can see every single day the number of outbound clicks. So we're talking about people clicking to go to my money offers. Okay? So what is the secret? So the big secret is something that I've kept secret from everybody for the longest time, is this. Imagine you had a superpower that you can read people's minds. How much more money do you think you'll be able to make? If you know what people want and you conveniently put it in front of their faces, guess what? They are going to buy. And you might be like, well, Martin, it's not possible to read people's minds. How do you know what they want? Well, glad you asked. I created this machine here. This machine, this is exactly what it does. Okay? I don't have superpowers. Okay? I've just created a machine that allows you to know exactly what people want, people in your market, okay? And this is not guesswork. It's not like, oh, probably they want blah, blah, blah. They tell you directly, okay? Or they will tell other people in your market what they want, and you're gonna say, thank you very much. If you have this, you're gonna say, thank you very much, and you're gonna grab this information, and you will know exactly what they want, and you will know exactly what content to create. This is step number one. Know what they want. Then step number two, well, do you want to create the content? Probably not. I don't want to create the content, so that's why I have a bot that can do it much better than me, who will then go out and create the content for me. So this is the second step. The second step is this bot is basically going to go out and create all the content for me and then put it on Pinterest, okay? Very, very cool bot. And you can see this is why I have 1.25 million views on my content. And it's going up. You can see all the numbers are going up. And because it's so interesting, there is more than 6,500 people in the last 30 days. I don't know if you guys realize, who clicked on the links, and the links are going to, well, stuff that makes me money. Okay? So this bot here that I'm only going to reveal to people who are going to get in the program, obviously, is it's like having a crystal ball. Okay? Whereas, the crystal ball, they will make guesses. You'll know exactly what people want, and they tell you. Okay? And then afterwards, so this one here is the one that actually is responsible for doing this. Completely automated, guys. I don't touch it. I don't even know how to do it manually, to be honest. My bots are doing it for me 24/7. It's making me so much money. I told you this is $37,000 that I got from this one network. But then I don't stop there, because I know what people want. Well, I know what people want in general, not only on this platform. And the beauty is this, is you are going to gather the information about what people want in one place, and then you can reuse it in 20 different places. And this is where this one comes into play. All right? This one is super funky, and it's basically going to take all that superpower that you have, and it's going to blast it all over the internet. And that brought here, this one here brought this another like 10 networks, and that brought an additional $21,000 that he brought in actual income, okay? And again, guys, you can see these are robots. I'm not touching them. All of this stuff is done automatically for me, okay? So here's what I have for you, and I have good news for you as well, is it was my birthday. Last Wednesday was my birthday, and this month is also my pumpkin's little birthday. I have a little pumpkin. She's going to be 10 this year. And 10 is an important age. You get two numbers, right? And so I haven't done any like promo or anything for the longest time. And I decided, hey, if I do one in April, then I want you to be able to celebrate my birthday with me and my pumpkin's little birthday. And so I'm going to give you an unbeatable price for this stuff. I want you to understand something is this is not a fad. It's not a gimmick. It's not something that will fade tomorrow. This is human nature. Since the dawn of time until the end of times, if you know what people want and you put it in their faces, it will work. And it doesn't matter what industry it's in. It's a universal concept that worked yesterday, it works today, it will work tomorrow. Okay? So what I have for you, I will basically show you every single little thing that you need to know. So basically, I'm going to give you this machine there. I'm going to give you this machine that will tell you, it will basically help you make money on demand. This thing is going to run automatically without you having to touch it. It's going to do all the research. It's going to find everything that you need. You will know exactly what people want. And then you can go and put it just like I do on this network. Now, you might be like, why are you putting it on like Pinterest and stuff? Well, glad you asked. The reason is this platform is fundamentally designed for you to put links, right? If you try this stuff on Instagram, people cannot click on links on Instagram, right? And if you try to put a link on Instagram, they're going to block you, man. They don't want people to leave. Pinterest is encouraging you to put links. If you don't put a link, it looks weird. So you will never, ever get this amount of clicks on any other networks because the second you put a link, they're basically going to shadow ban you. Here, they encourage you, okay? And that is the best way that I found. I've tested all of them. It's the best way to make a ton of money completely passively, okay? So I'm going to show you. So basically, I'm going to give you this bot here. That's going to give you the knowledge of the superpower of, man, I know exactly what you want. Guess what? Here in your face, they're gonna buy. Okay. Then I'm, obviously going to share with you how I'm basically taking all this stuff and putting it automatically in front of people's faces. Okay. So all the stuff that you see here, guys, I didn't do any of it. It's completely automated. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you how you can double the impact of this stuff by then taking it and then putting it everywhere on the internet. And all of this, guys, is happening right now as I'm speaking to you, okay? So, as I said, it's my birthday week, or birthday month, and my pumpkin's birthday as well. So you're gonna get a massive discount. Now, here's the thing. The thing is, this offer is valid until the end of the week. So it will end on Sunday. On Sunday, it's gone. You won't be able to have it anymore. I'm basically it's gone forever. I'm not going to show it ever again. And you might be like, oh yeah, it's just one of these offers. There will be another one. There is no other offer that will be, so this, again, as I said, it's not a fad. This offer is basically going to help you until the end of times. It doesn't matter. I can make you an offer on, how you do videos on LinkedIn or something, but then it's going to change tomorrow. This is not going to change. Until the end of times, you will have an advantage over anybody else. And you know what? The hell with anybody else. You're not in competition with anybody. You will have an advantage to sell your products to anybody because you know exactly what is it that they want, and they will tell you, or they will tell other people, and who will tell you without them knowing it, okay? So there's going to be a link. I'm going to add a link. If there's one offer, guys, that you do not want to miss, is this one, all right? This is evergreen. It's the basic laws of physics, the basic laws of human nature. It's just pure logic. It just works. If I know what you want and I put it in your face, you are more likely to buy it. This is what you can get today, all right? So the price is going to be reduced considerably from a normal offer, because this offer, this is a high-ticket offer, guys. I'm handing you money on the silver platter. But because it's my birthday, I'm going to make a really, really nice offer. I suggest, so you might be like, man, I don't have the budget or something like that. If you miss this, guys, you miss the opportunity of a lifetime. So find a way. I don't want you to go into debt or something like this, but please understand the concept. All right? It's not a fad. You cannot see this on Google Trends going up and going down and stuff. This is like an unfair advantage for the rest of your life. Okay? Guys, I guess that's pretty much it. So if you want to get it, there's going to be a link right under here. And as I said, and you guys know me, when I do the flash offers, they do not stay here for long. When I say it's done, then it's done. You won't be able to get it afterwards, okay? That is pretty much it, guys. If you get this, you'll be in the small circle of people who can like literally print money, like on demand. You will be able to do stuff like this without ever touching the screen. I don't know how it works here on Pinterest. I don't know. What I know is I know how to figure out what people want, okay? And I know exactly what they want. And then I know how to go and put it on Pinterest in different boards and everything. And then I know how to take that information and put it somewhere else so that it brings me clients from all over the internet without me ever having to be there, okay? That is everything you're getting in this program. So there is a link. Go ahead and get yours before it's too late. Thank you very much. I will see you I'll see you on the other side. If I don't see you, then, well, it sucks to be you. Just being honest with you guys. Okay? Anyway, thank you. Bye.